Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be seeing how to control your Android device from your PC. So this method is common for Linux, Windows and Mac. So without further ado, let's begin. So in order to start, the first thing which you need to do is enable USB debugging in your Android device. So for that, let's go to the settings, scroll to About Phone and tap on the build number a couple of times until it says you are a developer. Once it is done, you will find a new option called developer options and you need to enable this USB debugging. So once you have done this, let's open your favorite browser and search for scrcpy, in short for screen copy. Usually the first link which appears in your Google search from the GitHub page is what you need to use. So let's open this. So in the right pane of the GitHub, you will find an option called release. So let's open that. So as of this recording, version 1.19 is the latest version. Let's scroll down. So under the assets section, you will find the option to download for Windows. Download this 32 or 64 based on your Windows configuration. If you are on a Mac or a Linux PC, you could find the instruction to install the screen copy from in this tab over here, Linux and Mac. I'll show you how to install this on a Linux in a minute. So as we have downloaded this 64-bit version of the screen copy, let's open the folder, extract the zip file in this folder. You can find the exe called scrcpy and run it. So that is pretty much it. You don't have to install any application in your Android device to use this. This uses a default built-in Android feature that is not readily available until you enable this USB debugging option in your settings. And moreover, this screen copy application is an open source application. You don't need to pay anything, or this is not a trial version or anything. You can use it until forever. So in this method, we have connected the Android device via USB in your computer, but there is also an option to connect this device wirelessly. I'll be showing you that in a different video with a lot more tips and tricks and a lot more options in this screen copy application. So before we wrap up, I'll be showing you how to install this application in your Linux PC also. Now I have connected my Android device in this Linux PC. This is Ubuntu, and in order to install screen copy in your Ubuntu PC, you can write sudo apt install scrcpy and type in your password. And wait for it to install. Once it is installed, type scrcpy and that is it. So thank you guys. Catch you in the next video with a lot more tips and tricks for this particular scrcpy. When it is live, I'll be putting this link somewhere in this video. Do check it out. So bye for now. Catch you later.